Mum's home cooking, it's all about the taste. Hi guys, my name's Agnes. Today on Mum's home cooking, we are making lamb curry. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share with your friends and family. And as always, if you like good food, you're in the right place, because Mum's home cooking is all about the taste. Right, we're gonna need lamb, which I've got 2.5 kilos of, and you need 5 onions, about 6 to 7 green chilies, garlic and ginger. We're going to slice the onions, dice them, cut them however you want. We fry them till they're brown. We've got green chilies, we've got garlic and ginger, so we can just blend them. That's ready for when the onions are done.
Sweet. That's quite cool. Oh yeah, this is a good lump of meat.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very appetising right now, but it will be.
Wash it thoroughly.
Ah yeah, each piece.
Each piece.
Unless you want to get ill.
I'm going to add all the chili, garlic and everything in. Turn the gas on low because it takes a bit of time to put everything in.
There you go.
Alright, a bit of water. Because I'm making quite a lot of meat, a whole spoonful of haldi. Red chilies because it's quite a lot of meat. You don't have to put red chilies in. If you want it hot, quite hot, then you put red chilies in.
Yeah, some people get allergic to it or say they're allergic to it or something happens.
Spoonful of salt. And then garam masala. Hoop. Spoonful.
So you say hoopful then, isn't it?
Hoopful.
And that's paprika, no extra chili powder.
Yeah, no extra chili powder. You mix it together. Cook it 2 to 3 minutes and it should be ready to add the meat. We need about half a tin in here. There's quite a lot of meat. It's a handful rather. Turn the gas down as well, Brendan. Put the gas on low. Put everything in and then we can turn it up again. Yeah, that's it. You know how much that meat is?
Yeah.
It's a lot. Okay.
We leave it for about an hour as well.
About an hour. It will take slightly longer maybe, but an hour is quite a good time. But let it cook slowly on a medium heat.
Part of it as well is probably how tough you like it. Some people like their meat tough.
Tougher, yeah. Well, it depends. You can always take some out and try it. Just maybe a little bit longer. Take a piece, one piece out and see if it's cooked. Then we'll come back to that. I've decided to put some potatoes in with the lamb curry. You can have it without the potatoes, obviously, but it makes the curry come out really nice and thick. Right. It doesn't really matter about size of the potatoes. As soon as it's cooked, it'll be fine. You can cut them bigger or smaller, however you like it, really. And there we are. And then we'll just add it when the meat is nearly cooked. Okay, look at that. It's almost done. So what we're going to do is add the potatoes to it, because I wanted potatoes in there. Let's see how much we needed.
Oh yeah, Nani's tip: if you need to put water into something that you're cooking, boil it, then it's already hot.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, do you want to do it?
Huh? No?
Oh, right.
Okay. Yeah, that could be alright. Right. So we're going to leave it on the heat till the potatoes are cooked. So as soon as the potatoes are cooked, the meat is already done.
Sweet.
Okay. Good, good, good.
Does look very nice.
As soon as the potatoes are done, check it when it's like cut in half, and they're done. Like that. Okay. So that means it's all done. So I'm going to put some kasuri methi in it. It does give it a nice, very, very nice smell.
I was about to say that's a lot, but then we have got a lot of meat in it. So.
We have got a lot of meat. Yeah.
Do you want to do it?
No, that's it. It's done. Let's finish. And now, enjoy it.
Sweet.
Right, the meat is all done. You can have it with rice, chapatis, naan, whatever you like to eat it with. It's all done. Thank you very much for watching at Mum's Home Cooking, and we shall see you next Friday. Please take care.